Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the TRW stabilizer sway bar links used in the video through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of the vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Then, release and remove the upper ball joint on the stabilized link bar. To do this, use an 18mm spanner and an M6 12-point socket. Break the rotation of the ball joint with a 12-point socket and remove the nut with a spanner. Remove the nut. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Remove the nut, then the sway bar link.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the TRW parts and products used in the video in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod. Put the sway bar link back in place. Roughly reinstall the nuts. Turn the front wheels outwards. This will give you better access to the nuts to tighten them. Insert a 17mm open-end spanner behind the bracket holding the sway bar links and tighten the nut with an 18mm spanner. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.